I'm Brooks, I'm with Kennedy Concrete. Today, behind me, you can see we're pouring a house slab down in beautiful Poinciana. What this one consists of is our trucks backing up to the boom truck you can see behind me and then pumping it out for the finishers to place and finish easier. It's more efficient that way for both us and the end customer because we can place concrete quicker, get the job done sooner. This house is about 1,500 square feet, and that's going to come out to roughly 40 yards of concrete for this placement. If you need to find out how much concrete you need, we have a concrete calculator on our website, kennedyconcrete.com. You put in the dimensions and it tells you how much you need. Now please note, it's only as good as the dimensions you put in, so remember, measure twice, cut once.